So this is the 17mm in the back. So this is where you would need the breaker bar to make those bolts. I have mainly I have an extra hollow pole that I connect to this as my breaker bar to loosen this up. So I didn't need to use any air tools like I said earlier in the video. It's just gonna be some muscle today. So these come out not hard at all. Alright, so get it just enough, and boom, it came out just like that. So, and you know, see, these are pretty new, so they would change just at the location of them. They were in an area where they were able to rust. So these go like that, new and old. Alright, so this piece is at the top, these prongs are at the top, and putting back. So I mentioned I'm going to just paint these up with this here. Put it inside the little box, which will be a little spray box here. Nice aesthetic look, even though you can't really see too. So you gotta make sure you shake the cam pretty good. Again, I'll put the link in the description for a lot of these items I'm using. That's pretty much it. This is the area that you're gonna see. So that looks good. This one I'm going to also paint black. This is a quick job. Like I said, this vehicle is a nice vehicle, but it's not one of my you know, I guess highly sought after vehicle, so to speak. But I'm still making it look good. When you look at it through the wheels, you can see that it's painted black. Normally I would clean it, scrub it, but this is all you need to do. So it looks, you know, nice and respectable when you look through. You look through the wheels, nice and clean. And that's that. It's a Nissan item. Let me get the bungee cord. I'm just going to keep it up. Keep it up somewhere up here. And just secure it that way. So it stays up top. There we go. And I'm just going to loosen that up, and then let's see, let's have a screw, or does it just come